Mealsizer is easy to use and is about eating a right amount and varied. It is available in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Just fill these measures and add to your plate so that you get a suitable portion size. The largest measure is for vegetables and root vegetables. You can fill this with cold vegetables that you have as a salad to your meal, but also, of course, warm vegetables that you have oven roasted, stir-fried, or cooked. A tip is to vary and eat many different kinds of vegetables and root vegetables. This measure is for carbohydrate-rich foods. This includes potatoes, pasta, rice, quinoa, wheat, and other grains. It's preferable to choose whole grain products. The smallest measure is for protein-rich foods. This includes legumes, corn, soy, fish, chicken, and meat. If you choose to eat sauce with the food, about 1 to 2 tablespoons are suitable for adults, and about 1 tablespoon is suitable for children. It's good to remember that ketchup, sweet chili sauce, and soy is not counted as a sauce, but it's more like a seasoning or a spice. So it's better to take a smaller amount of those. And it's also good to know that it's preferable to vary the choice of sauce. Some days you may eat a tomato-based sauce, other days a sauce based on a dairy product or a vegetable alternative, and some days you may not eat any sauce at all. And there are times you eat a combined dish, such as lasagna. You can start by portioning the vegetables with the vegetable measure, and then you have a piece left on your plate where you can put your lasagna, for example. And then just enjoy the meat.